Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. It was a sunny and hot start to the day for Cape Town, but during the afternoon, a sea breeze developed, and this pulled in fog from the Atlantic, and that also helped cool things down across many parts of the mother city as the day went on. Here we see clearly on the webcam the fog that settled in during the second half of the afternoon. And while the rest of Western South Africa was mainly clear and dry, into the central and eastern parts, showers and thunder showers developed, including around Gauteng, and in particular down the eastern escarpments of the country, including over most of KZN. Not too much change for Friday. Thunder showers over the eastern parts once again, and onshore flow is going to be developing along the coastline of the Eastern Cape. That's going to result in cloud cover developing, and we're certainly going to see rainfall settling into that area, especially for the evening. Mainly clear once again over the western parts of South Africa, although along the Garden Route coastline, some cloud and perhaps even some rainfall. No rain, on the other hand, expected for Richards Bay, while over the rest of KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting a possibility for rain, especially along the coastline, while thunder showers will be developing for the interior. Thunderstorms for the inland communities of the Eastern Cape as well, and there we see the rainfall that's expected for some parts of the coast, mainly during the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Light rain possible for the south coast, especially in the morning. Things will clear out for the Garden Route in the afternoon. The rest of the Western Cape will be dry, lots of sunshine expected for some areas, and it's going to be a warm day along the western coastline where there could once again be some fog in places. Fog all the way through to Alexander Bay, mainly in the morning, while the interior of the Northern Cape will be mainly sunny, hot and dry. Temperatures near or above 40 degrees near the Kalahari. Into the Free State, and it will be dry for Bloemfontein, but to the east of this, thunder showers have been forecast. Bethlehem gets to a maximum temperature of 30 degrees, and isolated thunder showers are expected across the northwest. Once again, another hot afternoon zeroist with a maximum of 34. Temperatures rising above 30 degrees for much of Limpopo. Showers and thunder showers developing once again, dry up in the far northern parts for Musina, and scattered thunderstorms are expected across Mpumalanga once again, especially for the Highveld, although it's still going to be a warm day. Warm and humid conditions into Gauteng. Thunder showers developing in the afternoon and evening. 30 degrees as your high into Pretoria. For the start of the weekend, we'll see the thunder showers continuing over the eastern high ground. Another hot day expected for the Northern Cape. 42 degrees for Uppington, and very hot conditions spread into the Free State for Sunday. Bloemfontein at 38 degrees, and it's going to be wet once again for the east coast.